As a content creator who happens to be a beginner on YouTube, all right, have you ever faced the temptation whereby we are moved to switch from doing this type of video to another video to another video because of views? Take, for example, the first time I interacted with YouTube as a creator was about 10 years ago. Though then I didn't know what really works on the platform. All right. So sometimes I would see some content, maybe about news, getting thousands of views. But my own videos were stuck at 3 views per each. So then sometimes I was moved to try news. All right. After that, maybe I would see something about nature. I was still moved to try it until I decided to quit. All right. For that time period about 10 years ago, so I quitted and I faced my self-publishing and what did I do then? Blogging. Yeah. So as someone in this system, you may be facing similar challenge. Maybe you publish your video and it just got 5 views in the next 48 hours. But you took a look at some content about news and you observed that this has gone up to 15,000 views in the same 48 hours, sometimes 50,000 views in the same 48 hours. And you're like, are you sure I will not try this news? You may end up trying that news and you still get just 10 views or 20 views in 48 hours. And that is why here I want to talk to you about the proven approach that have worked and make people succeed on this YouTube content creation street. So it's not about jumping from one content type to another content type because you are fighting or hustling to get a lot of views. All right. What is important is choose your niches. All right, choose the niches. These are proven methods, proven approach that has worked. Choose your niches. Focus on that. By the time you grow your community, you will start getting so many views. So stop running from one news to another to recipe content or maybe talking about different things in just that one channel. It will make the whole thing scattered. All right, so it's not a good approach, and that is why I'm making this video today, because I know somebody, a beginner, may be tempted about this, as I was tempted. And even recently I was tempted about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, there's this guy called Don Azar. He reports news. So sometimes you see his videos, 50,000 views in just one day. So you be wondering, but I was like, oh, that's not what I am into. All right. If I want to do video news, I may need to create another channel. So choose the niches rightly. If you have covered 3 things or 4 things in that your channel, focus on it. All right. And with time, you grow. That's what some beginners don't know. It takes time. For example, here, I cover tech, software, how to use different software, how to use your phone and computer. All right. That's number one. Number two, I talk about self publishing. All right. This is still under tech, but it's a different segment. All right. How to publish books and make money from it. And number three is that I talk about YouTube education, which is where this current video I'm doing falls into. All right. So choose your niches and focus on them. I have been doing this for more than 1 year now. All right, so stop running from here to there, from there to here, because somebody have tried that and it didn't work out for him. All right, so I just want to talk to you. Focus on what you're doing. Try it for at least 1 year, and you will get the result. Be consistent. All right, in that you are doing. With time, you are known for that, and also, if possible, please create searchable content. Honestly, this have been one of the set of videos that have been driving this my channel. All right, searchable contents. Let people be able to find you on Google. Let them be able to find you on Yahoo. Let them be able to find you on Bing. It will help you drive traffic. And one thing I liked about this external traffic is because before the video gets played, as play first. So you have already taken that small cent, all right, or pence inside before any other thing, even the person wants to leave. Okay, so gain experience in that your area, be a guru in that, so that when somebody wants to search for something about that particular thing, somebody can refer him. Go to this guy's channel, go to Godwin Tech. He has a video on that. He can teach you how to use some Microsoft 365 applications. So focus on where you are, on the niche, selected niches you're working on, and then become a professional in that. And with time, when you're known for that, and when the YouTube algorithm understands that this is what you're into, he will push your video the more, and you will make more money in return. So that's what I came here to tell you, to not be tempted, to not be moved. To stop running around helter skelter. Today you do a food about how to make meal. Tomorrow is about how to make bread. The next day is about how to repair fan. The next 2 days is about how to repair computer. The next 3 days is about how to repair vehicle. Come on, please. All right. Or maybe the next 3 days is about how to go to New Jersey and explore some things there, grow some food there. Please calm down. All right, calm down. Just take things easy. Focus on those few selected niches of yours and you will make it. All right, not running from news to this one, from this one. Come on, calm down. All right, calm down. So, this is my message for you today, and I believe you find this helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of technology, YouTube education, and self publishing. All right, these are my selected niches I cover here. So, if you find this content helpful, please like it, okay? I'll leave a comment in the comment section. Watch this video here to learn more on YouTube tips on how to grow and make money on the platform, as I'm already making money on the platform. All right. Thank you and see you some other time.